Welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol, and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will talk about button filters in Looker Studio. Namely, once you click on a button, it will filter rest of the dashboard. So I will only see Northeast states or Southern states. So let's see how to do that. To prepare this dashboard first, I created this mock CRM table. I have this regions, salesperson, date, and sales numbers. I connected it to Looker Studio and create the dashboard. So, to use these button filters, you need to go to the Add control and click on these buttons. And you can add them to your dashboard. You can, of course, play with its style, button font, button colors, fonts, background, etc. To make them work, you just need to turn them into a filter. Otherwise, it can help you to prepare navigation across the pages. For example, I can add a static or dynamic link. Okay, or you can provide report actions. For example, you can invite people or download your report. So if I do that, if I view it, for example, once I click on it, it will download the report. So it's a very handy feature. But in this video, we will use it as a filter. I can click on it, and then I can add a control field. Let's see. For example, to turn these buttons into state-specific buttons, you just need to add a control field, and you just need to add a function. In this case, it's a Boolean, and it has this regex match region. Regex match function has two arguments. The first one is which variable that I need to take a look at, and then what will be the condition that need to be met. So it's a regex, of course. It includes all the Midwest states in this case: Wisconsin, Dakota, Ohio, Nebraska, etc. So you can add them here and then create your button. Let me copy it. And let's add it here. Let's call it Midwest 2. All right. And then I can change its name simply by double clicking on it, Midwest 2. Now, if I click on this button, it filters the states accordingly. Another thing that I want to show you is that since we want to do the analysis, further analysis by states, by salesperson, we can do it by drilling down to the salesperson level. Let's view it. Let's click the Midwesterns, and then let's select Illinois, for example. And then let's see how Illinois salesmen performed. There were five salesmen. The salesman 3 did the highest sales, the highest number of sales, and with a nice average sales point. For example, this salesman 4 has a very low average sales deal sizes, whereas this one has the highest deal size but lower sales amount. Maybe it can decrease this average sales amount to increase average sales numbers. Yes, so this is it for this video. If you like it, please like it. And if you want to learn more about Looker Studio, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, etc., consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video.